Not gonna get you. So today,
get the cup.
Since Milan went and hurt himself, we're not gonna ride today.
He get the cup.
Hold on. You gonna help me put the grips on?
First, to get the cup.
You playing with your fire truck? I
Okay.
wanna change the grips on the bike. Look. You gonna help me? Hey, leave my cup, man.
Sorry.
You gonna help me?
You do it.
All right, he's not gonna help me. Huh? Because you could leave that on.
You gotta just go for it.
That looks way better. Changing this grip. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. I want to save this one, but I don't have time to try to take this thing off. Oh my god. Why is it so hard? Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Ah, here we go. Glass cleaner, spread inside on the grip. Slide it on. Yeah, much better. Milan, watch this. Huh? Wheelie?
Yeah.
I don't know how to wheelie. I can only do a little wheelie.
Huh?
I could only do a little wheelie.
Huh? No, do a big ginormous one.
I can't.
I wish I could do that.
Alright, next I'm gonna take care of this loose chain. Dude, it's a 19 millimeter. So we're gonna loosen both sides. Tighten up that chain, make sure the wheel is centered. Tighten up your chain side. Oh, I need a second chain. Tighten up. I don't know if it's good. I ain't a bike mechanic. Let's see. Let's do a drop test. Yeah, buddy. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.